Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Stephanie. So today I have an unboxing from Simply Gilded. So they had a 30% off coupon a few weeks ago, so I decided to order during that special. It is a US based company, so if you are interested, it is US currency. And I ordered 2 of their bundle deals. So they had a bundle of their like sticker storage books, and it is in the color fawn. So I'm just going to open it up and show you. So they do come in like a bubble mailer, which is always good. And it was nicely wrapped. So this is their 2-pack books. You get a large, and the large is, it tells you the height is 7.75 inches by wide 6.5, and that's for the large. And then when I take out the mini, I will show you the measurements. Oh, that's nice. So you get a whole bunch of goodies, which is really nice in this bundle. So I wasn't expecting that, which is always a nice surprise. So let's take a look at the goodies first. So this is in the color fawn, and it is a beautiful little book. I'll show you what I do have currently as a setup. So you do get some freebies, it looks like. So you get this nice little sticker here, and then another little sampler, and it tells you here, and then it says XO Juniper. That is their design. You get another freebie. Oh wow, you get quite a bit. So this one is by Juniper, XO Mom. And this beautiful dates. So I love this. This is really nice. It just says heart icons, dates, and foil. And that is what it looks like. And so this is good that, you know, gives you a few like freebies to kind of start your collection. And then you just get this Simply Gilded paper, which I will put in definitely my planner for, you know, just some decor. So that's really nice. So I love that it comes with all these freebies. So the first thing I will show you, which is out already, is this. This is their large. So when you open up their books, this is a side loading. So when you load it, you would put it in the side. I've seen some people complaining because it is side loading. What I actually can do with this is I do have my tool. Let me show you the tool. So here is my welding tool. So this is by Project Life, and it comes with all this accessories. I actually do have a video on my channel. If I remember to link it, I will definitely link how it works. So basically how you get these serrated or edges, I believe that's what it would call, which would seal it. I can always open it at the top, and then what I would do is seal it going down this way. I would just use my X-Acto knife and open this up, which I may do if I find it a bit cumbersome that is opening and, you know, my pieces are falling out, because I do see how that would be problematic. I don't know why it wouldn't be top loading, because as soon as you do this, that would kind of fall out. But nonetheless, if I do that, maybe I'll make a video and show you how you can fix that problem. But I do love the case. It is a beautiful case. So you have all of your pages here where you would load all your stickers. So I can show you. Let's start with some of the ones that they have. So if you do have some larger stickers, then definitely like this size would probably fit in here. And then these smaller ones would definitely work better in the other ones. So I'm just going to show you how it would look in here. So I could put that in there like that. And put this one in here like this. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So here is basically what your large would look like. I do have some stickers, and you see that is what someone was complaining about, that if you don't have it sort of stuff, this is what you're going to get. So I will probably just change it to top loading and then go down here and fix that. So that won't be a problem. And then let me show you what the second one looks like. So in this you have a little hook here so you can add a charm to it and put whatever you want. And I do make charms, so I may put one at the bottom. So I'm going to show you what the second one is. And I believe it was $35 on sale because normally the bundle is $50. So, and it was, as I said earlier, 30% off. So this is the second one. It is the same color, and this is a color fawn, and I love it because most of them didn't seem to have gold hardware, and I do love that. So I love that they do piping around here in the white, and then it is that fawn or light sort of pinky beigey color, and then it is the same thing where you have your side loading pocket, and then you have space for your smaller stickers, which these ones will fit in here. So I think maybe for the smaller ones, it might work a little better. Let's see in a minute. So I'm just gonna put these two in, and then let's see. So it looks like this is a little tighter fit, but I think because those are much bigger pockets, it would slide out. So I do have some stickers. This is currently how I am storing them. These are some Dollar Tree sticker storages. I mean, they're not as pretty. They're definitely a little bit more flimsy, and these tend to rip. They're very thin, so they rip easy. So these are some Dollar Tree stickers and stuff that I have in here, which I will be putting into this sticker book. So let's see how they will fit maybe into this large one. And I'm just going to put this aside. So these would have to go into this larger pocket here. So let's see. So as I said, I will change up these loading pockets because this is going to fall out as soon as I turn the page, as you can see. So yeah, so if you are interested in getting it, definitely that can be an issue. It is they're beautiful books. I don't mind making the changes to fit, you know, what I need it to do. So I thought I'd show you basically what I'm doing. So at the top here, I just use this paper and I slit this using a ruler, just in case anybody wanted to change it out. Okay, so I've been working through this book. I've now made all of these top loadings. So let me show you exactly from start to finish, because I showed you at the beginning where I just did one cut, but I didn't actually show it. So here is what your book looks like. So if I put it the right way, you have it here where you would have it side loading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this at the front. I have my tool here, which is already warmed up. I don't know if I mentioned, We Are Memory Keepers makes the same one. This is the Becky Higgins Project Life. If I just mentioned that, sorry, in the other clip, just disregard. So what you're going to do now is cut the top. So that's what we want. We want it to be top loading. So I'm just going to take this here and cut it across the top with my ruler. And it's probably better if you have a metal ruler because I'm going to use this instead of using what comes with the Project Life one, which is metal as well. So you're just going to take your like X-Acto knife, or you could even use a scissors if you don't have one, and go across the top like this. And now you have it as a top loading, and I'm going to seal the back. So what I'm going to do now is take this out and place it in the back folder to brace the heat. And then I left mine cut a little bit longer so I don't make any errors. And then you're going to seal up here along the edge. So what I'm going to do is take my ruler and line it up just a little, leaving like a little lip here. That way I don't go over. And then I'm going to take my tool and I'm just going to run my tool going all the way down. So as it goes down, it will seal it. And that is basically what they use to seal this anyways. You just want to take your time and do it so you're not clearly having jagged lines like me, but it will serve the purpose. So all I'm doing is just running it along here. And then now it is sealed and you now have it as a top loading sleeve. And then I think I'm going to be just leaving the back. That's what I've done so far, just leaving the back to be like back loading, because you can put it on both sides. I could put two 2 sheets in here anyways. So let me show you what that will look like. So I have my stickers. Let's see. So here are the stickers that came with it, as you've seen earlier. I'm just going to put them back to back. And then it will go in here, top loading like this now. And that way, when I turn it, it won't slide out. So that is what it looks like now. So that is perfect. And I could put something back here if I want to still. And I have more than enough room because I don't think I'm going to fill this up very quickly. So I am just going to leave it like this, but just want to give you a bit of a tutorial on how to use that tool if you did want to change your side loading to top loading. So that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you leave and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And then I'll see you guys on another video.